what is going in my eyes and burning my eyes.
Burning my eyes too.
Ladies and gentlemen, Eric Rosen of J Connect right here. This man, probably not single-handedly, but did so much work to make tonight happen. Give it up, make some noise, Eric Rosen. And thanks so much, Rabbi Yonah Bookstein, also of J Connect, and Jim. And so beautiful to see all the different Jews coming together tonight for the sake of love, really, just for the sake of love. So we love you and truly love back, and hopefully everyone's having a lovely night. Everywhere I shut my eyes, shut my ears, shut my mouth, I shut my